Hey guys, it's Hamid. James, I got your assets. I got these three assets the other day. Obviously, I think Saturday you sent this to me, but I just got the gift card slots assets from you. Um, yeah, I'm a little. Okay, so I'm taking it that we're going to put this in one of the reels of the slots game. So, for example, I used this slots game. This is the code I sent you guys, right? So this is my one of my games that's in the App Store without the Lucy integration though yet. I got to send that in. But in the reskin folder, I forgot which folder it is. But anyhow, I guess my question is I think it's slot item. But I guess my question is, am I replacing these images? So whatever the first level would be, in that slots game, am I replacing them with these images right here, the reels? And if I am, shouldn't you send me the iPad sizes as well, or the iPhone sizes? I'm sorry. Yeah, the iPhone sizes as well. So I'm a little, which is 140 by 140. Um, and yeah, I'd like for you to tell me what am I? Okay, the all coins, I get that. I think that goes right here. Yeah, that's where it goes. Okay, so I get that. Um, and I see the mock-up. So I just want to make sure I got this right. So am I replacing whatever the first level's reels are? Am I replacing that with in the reskin folder, whatever for I don't know, I think it's slot item, but I'm not sure is whatever the first level is in a party slots game. But am I replacing these with this? I just want to clarify. And then also, could you send the iPhone size as well? And then these three, move coin right and left, where in the code does this go exactly? So I'm a little confused about that. So where in the code does this go? These three images. And just to clarify where these images go exactly, which folder do they go in under the reskin folder? Um, and I'm assuming, let me just open this up real quick. I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, so I just brought up the game real quick. Um, this is the old prize wheel, so I have to. Okay, so that's something new. Congratulations. Okay, so I got that. Okay. Yeah, so this folder right here, I'm sorry, this is the first level in the game, right? So um, this would be the slot item folder. Um, so yeah, I just want to clarify and just make sure, are we taking these images, basically replacing these images with this one in the gift card slots folder? And secondly, do you want to send these back with the proper names for them? The names of these files. Remember, it's in this folder, which is slot item. So do you want to reskin this slot item folder with these images? Basically, what I'm saying is change the name of the images and also give us the iPhone size as well, which is 140 by 140. But don't send it to us as 01.ping 0. You know what I mean? Like if you could send it actually as what is it, slot item A or whatnot, if you see the file names. And then secondly, where do these three images go? Because in the code, the reels are not animated. So where are these three images going exactly? That's what I would like to know and understand. Maybe you can explain it. Maybe you can shoot a desktop video and send it back to me and kind of explain to me um, what these three images are for. And I already know the prize wheel would go right here. So I'd just change out these. Yeah, that's it. That's basically my question. Is there a whole new process we need to update in the code? And then also, Ben, for you, man, I know you said that Lucy's inventory is taking forever. You had texted me and that you guys are building your own inventory. So does that mean, are we still using the Lucy SDK? Do we have to reintegrate this entire process again with a different SDK, or do we use the same SDK but we're going to call up a different website? in the web pop-up that is. So instead of Lucy's web pop-up popping up, are we popping up another website? So if you can kind of give me some details on that. Maybe you don't even have those answers right away because you guys are still going through the process of working everything out. But if you can kind of give me an update or a heads up on that, I'd really appreciate that. And again, James and Ben, if you can come give me an update on this images 1 through 11, and then where exactly, I'm assuming they go in the slot item folder under the reskin folder in the code. And could you send me these files again, but also with size 140 by 140 and the actual name of the files in that slot item, so I can just drag and drop and replace it essentially, as opposed to spending time doing each file one by one. So yeah, if you guys can answer that question, if James, you could send that over to me, I'd really appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Thanks.